Hello everybody and happy Friday. It's Laura here from Down Memory Lane again. Saw you guys yesterday, so I'm back today. It's time to announce our new kit for the week, right? Yes, but first let's talk a little bit about the email list again. We know some of you joined last night. We saw some new ads, yay! But if you're not on it, be sure to add it because remember on Saturday mornings we send out an awesome email offer on this week's kit of the week, which is going to be State Fair, and I'll show you that in a minute. But to register for our email list, super easy. You want to be a VIP. You just go to our Facebook page right at the top. There's a banner. You go underneath that. There's a sign up button, and you click that, and you fill out the stuff. So simple. And did I mention you guys get birthday coupons too? Yeah, pretty cool. And you know what's going to be coming up soon is the holiday shopping season. And I will tell you, last year we had some amazing deals on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but the only way you knew about it is if you were an email list member. So that's another reason to sign up. Okay, so let's talk about this week's kit. Here is the picture that goes in the kits. This is how we designed it to look. As you guys know, I like to kind of move things around and change things up a little bit and show you guys different ways you can use the kit. So let's look at the version I did. Okay, you will notice that I did not use some of the pieces in the kit, mostly because all of the pictures that I have here were of cows and not of pigs. But you guys, how cute is this piggy? I know, right, with the little tail? So yes, that comes in there. And then you'll also notice that I didn't use the green that's included. Like seriously, you guys, you get this fourth of a sheet of green dotted paper. So even if you don't use it, you can use it for something else. And then of course, I didn't have room for my cotton candy, so I would save that for another kit too. But I did use our banner, and how cute is that? Again, this is one of those kits that I thought the ink around the edges would just really add and make it look dimensional, especially because with this banner it's white on white, and I don't know if you can tell, but I did pop up this top layer too so that it's a little bit higher. But I just love how that looks. I think it looks really three-dimensional and just, you know, like a real banner. I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys, but I just think it looks really cool when it's inked and popped up like that. Now for the background, I used the blue that came in the kit, but then I went in our handy dandy little room over there and I found some cardstock or some pattern papers that I thought would match the other cardstocks and shapes and things that were in the kit. So I chose this pattern of red that has these adorable little circles with stars in them. I chose this kind of, I don't know, vintagey yellow dot, and then it's hard to see the blue. There's a blue over here, or right here. Kind of a navy blue with more of a royal blue dot in it. I just wanted some patterns that weren't too busy, but that coordinated with the paper, the cardstock that was used. And I thought these will be perfect. So all I did is I set up some stars on our silhouette machine, but if you had a Cricut, you could easily cut stars, or even if you had a punch, you could cut stars. I just cut full sheets of those three patterns and then laid them out in kind of a patchwork on the back, glued them all down, and then did the page accents right on top of it. I wanted it to kind of look haphazard, but yet still have a little bit of order to it, and I just think it makes the background look a little bit more fun. And again, because I didn't use some of the same colors that were included in the kit, and I used the layout a little bit differently, I think that the stars really work in the layout, and I thought it just looked really neat. So, we got the little cow here, and the hay, and just so you guys know, this here is my niece Holly, and she is showing some cattle at our local fair called the Northern Wisconsin State Fair. They live on a farm, and so they have lots of cows that are almost like pets. So that's it. She is showing them. And then over here on this page we have Holly, and then this is my nephew Brock. And as you can see, he also showed some cows in the fair, and then they also are in 4-H, so they did some other things. I think they showed their cats actually. But I thought that these pictures would be perfect with this new kit because This kit is actually more designed for, you know, the showing of animals or that sort of thing. So even if your local fair is really small and that's all they have is, you know, petting zoos or animal showings, this kit is perfect for that. Otherwise, again, you could use this if you had a fair with rides, because why not? Throw some animals on there, and the fun colors are perfect as well, especially because in this kit you also get these cute little ticket accents too. And again, you get that cotton candy piece that I just didn't quite have room for. But how cute is that? Okay, so I am loving this State Fair kit. But did you know that we actually have 2 other page kits designed for fair pictures? Cool, right? One of them has actually become a pretty good seller because you guys actually requested it. We did that challenge, and then everybody loved the saying "Life is a Beautiful Ride." And so we decided to make one of our deluxe Create Crate kits out of it. And so what I did is I actually put this one together. This is almost exactly what our kit looks like out of the package. I didn't add anything on this one. I moved around some of the pieces, but other than that, I used everything that was in the kit. This is how it comes. So you get lots of pattern paper, you get lots of fun colors. You get baker's twine in this kit. Because this is one of our deluxe kits, it comes with all this fun stuff included. Now these pictures, if you guys remember, this is me and my husband Dave. We went actually to the same fair and we had our engagement pictures taken there because we went with a carnival theme for our wedding. So we thought we would do engagement pictures at our local fair. So that's what we used for this one. And then, besides that Life is a Beautiful Ride page, we also offer a fair page kit. Now this is what how it's designed to look. But again, I changed things up a little bit when I made my sample. These are pictures of my husband Dave and I, and also my niece Ella and my sister Sarah at the fair 2 years ago. So I used a lot of the same pieces. I used this kind of canopy, and then I used the ducks, because aren't those ducks just stinking adorable? I mean, really. And then I used the title, and I loved this Ferris wheel. I thought the Ferris wheel was just awesome. What I added to the layout was I added some pattern paper, the background here, this orange dot, and then I added kind of this ribbon stripe one as well. And then I added this big silver brad. I just thought, how perfect is that to put right in the middle of the Ferris wheel? And again, with this one, I inked the edges of everything, and I just think it makes everything look more dimensional. And I know when I talk to people, they think it's a lot of work. It's really not. You just need a little sponge and an ink pad, and you can just go to town. And I just think it just finishes off the page. So yeah, so now we have 3 different kits to choose from for fair stuff. How cool, right? Because I'm sure now that summer's over, you guys are getting all your pictures developed, and I'm sure you went to some sort of local carnival or fair, so you are going to probably need a page like this to complete your scrapbook for this year. And again, if you're on our email list, you might just get a super duper coupon to spend on our Kit of the Week starting tomorrow. If you can't wait, it is available on the website today, and I did put the link in the post, so you can click that and you'll take it right to our website, and you can see all the fun kits that we have. I think at last check we had, I think, over 400 different kits on our website. Crazy, right? Yeah, so if there's something that you can't find on there, you let us know. But we think we've got a lot of different things covered. I think that is all I have for you guys for today. But I hope you guys have a great weekend. And our next live cast is, of course, going to be on Tuesday, which is Giveaway Tuesday. So we will see you back here 1 p.m. Central Time next Tuesday. And everybody have a wonderful rest of your Friday. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.